Hello. Another week, another recipe. I normally am not a huge fan of cucumbers, but I love marinated cucumbers and sometimes sweet pickles. But ever since I used the secret ingredient for my marinated cucumbers, I've changed my mind completely, and I think I've made this recipe like 10 times now in the span of a month or two. Also, this cutting contraption is really cool. I totally forgot to lock it in place, and that's why it keeps moving around, and I originally was about to give it away, and then I was like, oh wait, I forgot to lock it. Anyway, pretty cool. I'm gonna use it a few more times and see how I feel about it. Alrighty, and now here's my not so secret ingredient for marinated cucumbers, and it's fermented tofu. I've heard it go by many names. I've heard fuyu, fudu, Asian vegan cheese. I didn't even know these existed until my mother-in-law showed me. She played this silly trick on me and told me it was just cheese, and she gave it to me straight from the jar, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. It is so strong, the flavor. It's so good paired with other things though, like for this marinade. I just mash it up and then mix in all the ingredients together and then pour it right on top of the cucumbers and mix around. Super easy marinade for the cucumbers. It takes less than 10 minutes to put together. Now at this point you can eat it right away, or you can leave it for about 30 minutes to marinate and soak in the flavors. I had a few little taste tests, quality control, you know, and then I gave it a little photo shoot. I think the pictures came out pretty good. I have to practice a little bit more with my food photography, but I think it's pretty cute. And I even took a picture of my food prep. And because my toxic trait is that I don't let my husband buy things that I can make for him, made him a little snack so he didn't have to buy one. Using homemade milk bread, I toasted it up with a little bit of butter. I put some shredded mozzarella and sharp cheddar cheese, and then I topped it off with marinated cucumbers I made. It was pretty tasty. And now time to feed my hubby. Okay, bye. See you next time.